Now, Ashok Leyland seeing strong mining activity across coal and iron ore, which is helping the demand as well. The company is, of course, expecting commercial vehicle cycle to stay strong for the fourth consecutive year. In some sense, some people will believe this is the start of a new CV cycle as well, and not necessarily the fourth year. But Ashok Leyland believes the new launches will bring in fresh energy out there. Kush Bora, quick 20-second view on Ashok Leyland.
Very constructive. There's been profit taking. Volume action in the last 2-3 days very interesting. There
exactly.
Could be,
I'm saying we were talking at 181 and now 190.
We did. Absolutely that point. So there's been a brief consolidation. The stock is now on the way up. 200 could be mild resistance.
Okay. Hear out the management.
Today you have launched 2 new trucks and you basically revived the old brands. First of all, sir, what is the rationale behind that, and which will be the industries in which we will see the application?
So, hi, thanks for having me here. Let me first talk about Hippo. Hippo, in late 90s was seen as something which was known for its reliability. And if you recall, liberalization just started and India was going through first phase of growth. And that is where our Hippos were really doing the work for the industry. A lot of expansion was happening across India, and Hippos were seen as a tractor which could carry any load, any over-dimensional load, and it would never fail. The reliability factor of our Hippos were great, and that is where it could create a sense of connect with a lot of customers. And of course, post that we kind of stopped this product around 2000. And again, idea was that we see India going through next phase of growth, and huge activities are happening across industries. Be it mining, be it road infra, coal, iron ore. So we see huge action happening in mining industry, and that is where we feel this truck is going to create similar connect and would answer all those requirements. And we have created this truck in 2 formats. One is 320 horsepower truck, which could address on-road applications like steel, cement, etc. And 360 horsepower truck, which is basically to address over-dimensional cargoes, like transformers or boilers or some machines which cannot be carried on a normal truck. So again, idea is this truck kind of, conveys the word reliability very well with our customer and creates that connect. And idea is to once again introduce this to address those needs.
So what sort of export potential do you see with the launch of these 2 new trucks? Which could be the regions and the countries which you would be targeting to export these trucks?
Right now, I think our idea is to focus on domestic market. We would like to test these trucks at least for a year or 2 in different geographies. Of course, we have done almost 2 years of testing with these trucks, but ultimately it has to go into with customers, and then customer needs to give us feedback. Post that, we are going to have a look at which markets we can look at for export of these trucks.